Starting in a sit, and you're going to walk normal pace to the green cone, and then slow to the yellow, or then quick from the green cone to the yellow cone, slow from the yellow cone to the red cone, stop at the red cone, and then go back to normal pace and wrap around the blue cone and head back. Okay. So whenever you're ready. And don't forget to talk to your dog and let them know they're being awesome.
You are awesome, Abby.
And then go slow. And stop for, we'll just do 3 seconds. Good dog 1. Good dog 2. Good dog 3. And give her a treat. And then come around the blue cone, either direction. And then head back to the end at a normal pace. Good job. And finish with a sit. Awesome.